Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mr. Ho talking about permutation. And this is a question similar to OUP Supplementary Exercise 4, number 20. So there are 2 rows of chairs, 5 chairs in each row. 10 people sit on them. Find the number of arrangements such that there are no restrictions. And B, 2 particular people must sit in different rows. Now, we must think like this. First of all, now for part A, it's easy because now suppose we think about the 5 chairs in each row. Actually, we can just think about combining both rows to one single row. So the required number is simply arranging 10 things, 10 factorial. Okay? So 10 factorial, okay, so this time I have a calculator with a factorial function. So this one gives the answer, okay, of 3628800. Now for part B, 2 particular people must sit in different rows. Now if we think like this, they must sit in different rows, well, think about that. If they must, well, we can fix one of them to sit on one row, and then the other of them must sit on another row. We can think like this, okay? But then remember, this is a permutation problem. It will be quite difficult to think like this, okay? So there is one easy way, okay, like this, similar to the previous. Or maybe I should use another color. Okay, yes, let's use another color, okay? Now, again, we arrange the seats, okay, such that they appears in one row, except that the first 5 seats we use blue and the next row's seat we use red. Now, 2 particular people must sit in different rows. So let's say one of them, right? There are 2 persons. So let's say John and Mary, okay? John and Mary. So if John must sit on the first row, he has 5 choices, and Mary, therefore, must sit on the second row. There are another 5 choices, okay? Now, then, the rest of the 8 people can sit whatever way we like. Therefore, the required number we use to John sits on the first row, we have 5 choices. Mary sits on the second row, we have 5 choices. And the rest of the 8 people, they can sit wherever they like. However, John and Mary can sit on the other way around. John sits on the second row, and Mary sits on the first row. And the other 8 persons can sit wherever they like. So this one is doubled. Okay? So the answer would be 5 times 5, 25 times 5 factorial, and then times 2. Okay? So the answer is 2016000. Alright, so here it is. So that's it. Goodbye.